Bula Vinaka Fijians. Just to let you guys know that Bainimarama and Ayaz Sayed Qayyum sold EFL shares to a Japanese company for less than $450 million. Guys, the 3 hydro dams has costed us over $1 billion to construct 35 years ago. And the other assets, the 3,000 miles or whatever power lines and other assets of EFL, the value today or the replacement value is well over $3.5 billion. And with $92 million net profit, we could have easily sold the entire company well over $3.5 billion cash. But Qayyum sold almost half of the company for just $450 million. And on top of that, he had no authority to sell the shares owned by National Provident Fund. The value of those shares truly was well over $1.5 billion. Remember, all FNPF members, the value, the actual value, today's market value, the shares was worth over $1.5 billion. I could have paid that. My investors could have bought the shares for that money because the company was making over $94 million in surplus. And Qayyum sold those shares for just $200+ million. This is not a blunder. This was meaningly and purposely done just to loot us. These 2 guys have looted us by selling the shares of EFL. Selling government assets without calling a referendum is all unlawful. And guys, my question, and only one question, why they needed to sell the shares when the company was making almost $100 million net profit annually? Why they have to sell the shares? The company was doing well and is doing well today. If you go to the Japanese guys and you ask them, we want to buy back the shares, and I'm telling you, they will sell you the same shares for over $2 billion today. They knew that this was a bargain. This is how Qayyum and Bainimarama has been handling the affairs of government assets.